Hi, this is Andrea Earle with a quick tutorial on how to use Desmos with your students. Start by going to teacher.desmos.com and sign in. Make sure you sign in with Google using your school Gmail account. You can then search for activities up at the top in the search bar or on the left-hand side. There's most popular, and there's also lessons specifically aligned with CPM. For example, let's look at CPM 2, Chapter 3, Arithmetic Properties, and find a lesson you like. Click on the lesson, look through the activities. You can click on each slide. It gives you kind of teacher moves, ideas for the teacher. You can click through to see what the students are going to do. If you find it's something you want to use, you're going to create a class code here in the green button. Then when you hit View Dashboard, this is your teacher view, and it also gives you the link to send to your students. All you need to do is paste this into Canvas or Google Classroom or send it out an email. And if students follow that link, they will be in your class. A little tip, I always make different class codes for each class. That way I don't have so many kids in one group, but it really doesn't matter. As kids work through the lesson, you can click through and you can see what their answers are. Hope this helps. Enjoy. This is Andrea Earle with one more tip to make your life a little easier.